What do Trojans, spyware, viruses, and ransomware all have in common? They're all examples of malware. You hear the term every day, so what is it exactly? In this Komando DIY, we're on a mission to teach you what malware is and how to avoid it. So buckle up and prepare for blast-off. Malware, or a malicious software, is any piece of software created with the intent to damage devices and steal data. Hackers are the ones behind it, acting alone or as a group. They create the malware to make money either by spreading it to other computers or by selling it on the dark web. So, how can you protect yourself? Keep an eye out for all alien life forms in your inbox. UFOs, also known as unidentified fake objects, is the #1 way that hackers deliver malware. Common scam emails and text messages look like they're from a source you know and trust, and will try to trick you into clicking a link or opening an attachment. They might say things like, "There's a problem with your account," or that you need to act now. And if you receive a free coupon out of the blue or a business opportunity from a prince in a foreign country, steer clear of deceit and just delete. Zap security threats by setting your computer mobile device software to update automatically. Practice safe computing because malware could be hiding anywhere. Make it hard for hackers by setting up multi-factor authentication for all your accounts. This extra step requires additional credentials like a passcode sent via text message or a fingerprint scan. And finally, don't let your data disappear into a black hole. Defend your device by backing it up. But don't back up to your home network. Copy your files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Preventing an attack is much easier than finding a remedy. But if you think your information has been compromised, make sure you report it to the proper authorities immediately. Now that you understand the gravity of the situation, it's time to put these practices into place, Earthling.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.